Welcome to the Collaborative International Academics, CIA, training and learning platform. At CIA, we are dedicated to empowering your academic and professional journey through innovation. Our mission is to create an inclusive and forward-thinking academic community where creativity meets practical skills, and where learners are equipped to address the challenges of a fast-changing, globalized world. One of the most exciting opportunities we offer is the chance to unlock the transformative potential of artificial intelligence in education. Together, we will explore how AI can be leveraged to help you thrive in today's technology-driven learning environment. We are delighted to welcome you to CIA 101, Mastering Practical Course Design, a course designed to help you become an expert in crafting impactful, inclusive, and effective educational programs. In this session, we will delve into the foundations of course development. You will learn how to identify the essential components for designing courses tailored to any degree level, institution, or audience. We will also guide you in aligning your course with institutional objectives while fostering an inclusive and engaging environment for learners. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Are you ready to make a meaningful impact in the world of education? Let us begin this exciting journey together. The future of education starts now, and it starts with you.
What is course design? It is a process of creating an organized and meaningful learning experience. Why it matters. Ensures clear learning goals. Guides content, activities, and assessments for better student outcomes.
Welcome to our session on the foundations of course design, based on Mastering Practical Course Design, CIA 101, by Collaborative International Academics. This session is all about identifying essential course information, aligning it with institutional and program goals, and fostering inclusive learning environments. Let's dive in. Learning objectives. By the end of this session, you'll be able to 1. Identify essential course information, such as the course title, number, degree level, and target audience. 2. Examine institutional requirements and align course design with program objectives. 3. Apply student demographics and learning profiles to create inclusive and supportive learning environments. These objectives are our guide for today. Key components of essential course information. To design a strong course, you need a foundation of clear, essential information. This includes course title, a concise and descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the course. Course number, a unique identifier indicating its level and sequence, such as 101 for introductory courses. Degree level, the academic level served, whether undergraduate or graduate. Target audience, a clear understanding of who the course is for. First-year students, working professionals, or another group. Example, consider a course titled Advanced Research Methods. SOWK 670. The title tells us it's advanced, while the course number indicates its sequence in a graduate-level program for final-year students. Aligning course information with goals. Alignment is a critical principle in course design. Here's how you align course information with broader goals. 1. Institutional goals. Consult institutional guidelines. Review similar courses to set benchmarks. Define the audience to ensure the course content and delivery match their needs. 2. Department and program goals. Follow department-specific guidelines. Align with program objectives to ensure consistency across the curriculum. Practical application. Now, let's put these principles into practice. Reflect on a course you're familiar with. Analyze its key details, title, number, degree level, and target audience. Ask yourself, 1. Do these elements align effectively with the course's purpose and institutional goals? 2. How could they be refined to better support learners? For homework, post a brief description of the course and share your reflections. Then, respond to at least 2 peers with constructive feedback. To wrap up, we've discussed the key components of essential course information, strategies for aligning this information with institutional and program goals, practical ways to apply these principles in your course design. Thank you for joining today.